Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Cheesy E's Kitchen. Today we're going to be throwing together a dish that's been around the barbecue world for a while, and I want to make sure that the keto community is fully aware of what's going on with these fatties. You guys seen in the B-roll just a second ago how awesome this thing looks? Stick around for the end of the video. We're going to do a taste test. If you like keto recipes or barbecue recipes, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Show me a little bit of love on the channel and hit the bell icon as well, so that way you don't miss any future videos. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on this fatty. right, y'all, finally done. We cooked for, I don't know, maybe a little over an hour or so, and I got up to 165. Actually, it's about 170. Check out the cheese that came out of this thing. That is awesome. I can't wait to taste this. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut off one more little piece here, but I mean, look at all the goodness that's there. Oh my Jesus. Looks delicious. Let me grab a napkin. Give this thing a shot. See if we can cut some of this bacon up a little bit. All right, we got some cheese, we got some fatty, got some pepperoni in there. Wow, that pepperoni's a hit because that pepperoni definitely set it off. You can definitely taste the cheese, the green peppers in there, the onion. I mean, it's all just slapping you right in the face. This thing is delicious. Let me get one more bite before I hop off here. Wow, I don't know if I can put this thing down. Yo, anybody doing keto, this right here, you're gonna reach your fat macros in a heartbeat if you get one, because your heart might stop after eating this. But it's delicious, high in protein, which I know keto, you don't want to keep your protein too high, but very low carb and super filling. You guys need to try it.